Excuse me.
Yeah, come in. What's your name?
Sandesh.
Your qualification?
Degree ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋ CVs ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ. So I am really sorry. Better luck next time.
What is the job you have applied for? Clerk for sir. Tell me just 2 reasons why I should select you. Come back. We will meet you again.
timesjobs.com just ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ರೂಪಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.